Welcome to Science Bites, where big ideas come in small packages. Imagine if you could fix a genetic typo as easily as cutting and pasting text in a document. That's basically what CRISPR lets us do. Snip out problem genes and sometimes swap in better ones. CRISPR is more than just a buzzword. It's a precise gene editing tool that's transforming modern medicine. But where did CRISPR actually come from? Here's the wild part. CRISPR is borrowed from bacteria. Yeah, you heard me. Bacteria use CRISPR as a kind of immune system. When a nasty virus attacks, these microbes whip out a protein called Cas9, which works like molecular scissors to chop up the invader's DNA. Nature's own defense system, repurposed for our science labs. So, how does CRISPR actually work in practice? There are two main ingredients. First, Cas9, think of it as the scissors. Second, the guide RNA. This is like a GPS, telling Cas9 exactly where to make the cut in the DNA sequence. The guide RNA leads Cas9 to a specific spot in the genome and snip, the DNA is cut, right where we want it. But what happens after that cut? The cell scrambles to repair the break. That's the perfect moment for scientists to step in. They can either silence a faulty gene or patch in a healthy one. So CRISPR can switch off genes that cause disease or even correct genetic errors by inserting new DNA. What does all this mean for medicine? CRISPR is already being used to tackle cancer, sickle cell anemia, and rare genetic disorders. And honestly, that's just the beginning. Labs around the world are racing to develop new treatments using this technology. But let's hit pause for a second. Is CRISPR totally safe? Not exactly. There are still risks like off-target edits where the wrong part of the DNA gets snipped. And the ethics? Editing human embryos raises serious questions. That's why CRISPR isn't just about scientific potential, it's about responsibility too. Here's my takeaway. CRISPR isn't science fiction. It's science in action, right now. As future doctors, you'll see gene editing become part of your toolkit. Understanding CRISPR could change not just how you see medicine, but how you practice it.